Hello, I've been sent a few items from Amazon. Amazon do send me stuff sometimes. This is sent from Amazon. This is Amazon's basic range, and it just says smartphone mini tripod. And I looked on Amazon's website, and there weren't no pictures of this. There was nothing. So thank you, Amazon, for sending this out. Like I've said before, Amazon do send me stuff in to test review sometimes. They've sent this, there's no pictures on their website, they probably haven't released it yet, but they are going down the smartphone tripod. But this is their basic range. It's like their cheaper versions of other products. Smartphone mini tripod. I've not opened it, I have not got a clue what this looks like. Let's see what this looks like together, and we'll see if it's any good. I couldn't tell you the price or nothing like that at the time of me filming this. If there's price and pictures and that come out since, I will list them on the screen. If there's nothing on the screen, then time this was uploaded, there was nothing. So there we go. This is how it's presented in the box. Look at that. So you've got the stand, and you've probably got the phone mount, and it does say Amazon Basics there. Anything else in there? No, that's it. So it looks like you're getting two items. You're getting that part that you clip your phone into, and you're getting that part that's the tripod. Let's have a look at this. So remember, this is Amazon's basic range. Obviously that's why it says Amazon Basics right there. So you can go in a range of configurations. There was no manual or nothing. I know it's just a tripod, you don't need manuals. I was just looking at this, how it can stand. So it can probably stand like that. And I've just noticed, I was just fiddling with while I was talking, this bit here, this middle section here, this spins somewhat, and I think you can close it off. So it looks like there's, if they're the same, then it looks like there's two settings. So you can have it like that, completely almost flat, and then you can turn these little bit here so it's got like the little notch that's just there, and then it will like be that sort of stand. And you could probably get away with just doing it like that as well. Not bad actually, Amazon. This top bit screws off. This is the top ball, and it's got the thread in there, and it's got a bit of grip on there. That bit seems nice. And then you can put this part on, which is just like the you can tilt it. Is it like a tilt ball or something? It looks like you can unscrew this, and this moves round and goes like that, and all like that, and then you can tighten it up, and that can just screw in there. Sort the angle you want, put the legs how you want them. Amazon Basics, so far so good. So this is the other part that comes with it. I've noticed I ain't seen one like this. It looks like it's got some sort of clip on the back. So can you have that as a little stand? Can you put your phone in there and have that as a little stand? I think you can. I've not seen that, and I have had a few of these with phone stands. So it's got this little bit here that goes up, and it will rest like that. Put all your phones in there. That's pretty standard. You can either put it that way, like that, or you can do it that way. So let's put it this way. Let's grab a phone. Looks like the phone is just going to squeeze in. Oh, that ain't you have to. I put a screen cover on it and the bubbles and. But anyway, you have it like that. You can choose your angle. Stand it up. You know what, Amazon Basics, this ain't a bad one. If this is marked quite a reasonable price, like I say, I'm not too sure at the price at the moment. If this is marked at or being sold at quite a reasonable price, Amazon, this is quite a good one. Just want to show it standing up, so you can have it like that, just like that. You can have it lower, like that. It feels pretty well made. Look, you could do your selfie vlogging on your phone. You can tilt this, all sorts of angles. You know what? I can't fault it. I can't fault this for what it is. It's an Amazon Basic phone tripod that actually seems more premium-ish than Basics, because it's got adjustable legs where you can tilt this, spin this part round to have these higher or lower. It's got the ball at the top. It's got this top part. It's got this little kickstand on it like that. A lot better than some other cheaper tripods that I have in myself owned. That ain't a bad one. Right there. If I've got, I don't know if it's been sold yet, but if I can find a link for it and when it's going to be sold, I'll put the link to this below, but that ain't too bad. I'll see you in our next video when I may have another item from Amazon Basics.